The Nasdaq just did something that should terrify every tech investor. Yesterday morning, tech stocks rallied 2.6%. Nvidia crushed earnings. Everything looked perfect. By close, the entire rally reversed into a 2% drop. That's a 5% swing in one day. But here's what CNBC isn't telling you. This wasn't the Federal. This wasn't economic data. This was pure fear that the AI bubble is popping. Palantir tanked 9% despite beating earnings. Why? Because investors finally looked at the valuation and said this is insane. Over 100 times earnings for a software company. Then Nvidia, even with blockbuster earnings, reversed from up 5% in pre-market to down 3% by close. An 8% swing on good news. That's not normal. That's panic selling. And Bank of America just dropped a bomb. 45% of fund managers now say AI bubble is the #1 market risk. That's the highest for any risk in 20 years. Even the CEOs of Goldman Sachs and Morgan Stanley are warning of 10 to 20% corrections driven by AI valuations getting ahead of reality. Here's what's really happening. 7 stocks make up 30% of the S&P 500. 6 of them are AI plays. If they roll over, the entire market goes with them. And institutions are already quietly exiting. The volume and price action don't lie. So you have 3 choices right now. 1. This is just a healthy correction. Buy the dip. 2. This is the start of a 20% plus crash like .com. Get out. 3. It's a false alarm. Markets recover by year-end. I'm watching Nvidia's next move. If it can't hold support despite strong earnings, that confirms the sentiment shift is real and scenario 2 is in play. The Nasdaq just had its worst month in 8 months. Nvidia's down 11% in November. When good news can't lift stocks, that's when you know the game has changed. So here's my question. Are you holding your AI positions or taking profits while you still can? Comment 1 if you're buying this dip. Comment 2 if you're selling into strength. Because the next 30 days will determine whether this is just noise or the beginning of the AI crash everyone's been warning about. And most investors won't see it until it's too late.